new video. So in this video we are going to see the simple interest third method. Let us see the problem. Sachin borrowed 7,000 rupees from his friend Suresh. If the loan is to be repaid after 9 months at an interest rate of 8%, what is the simple interest he has to pay? That means Sachin has to pay how much interest? That is simple interest they are asking. And we already know the simple interest formula, which is SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. So in the problem, they have given principal amount P is equal to 7,000 rupees, and they have given the time frame in months, that is T is equal to 9 months. The first thing is we should convert this months into years because the rate of interest will be in years. So to do that, the time frame, which is T is equal to 9 divided by 12. 12 because in 1 year there will be 12 months. So we'll get the 3 by 4 years. That will be 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So 3 by 4 is the time frame in years, 3 by 4 years. And then the rate of interest they have given 8%. And using this formula and using the given data, let us substitute all these details in the formula. So SI is equal to PTR divided by 100, and if I substitute this one, it will be like this. So I'll just do this here, where P is 7,000, okay, that I have done, and T is 3 by 4, okay, and the rate of interest is 8% and divided by 100. 100 I'll do it here, and this 0 will get cancelled, and this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So if you multiply this 70 into 3 and this 2, you will get 420. That is 7 threes are 21, 21 twos are 42, and this 0 will be 0. So 42 and this 0. So the total interest Sachin has to pay to Suresh after 9 months at an interest of 8% for 7,000 rupees will be 420 rupees. So please like, share and comment for such more content. And if you want more such videos, please do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video.